Let's go. Let's go. Got more stuff. Here. Here.
Ooh, thank you.
What's happening, Captain?
You got it, Captain.
This is Bliss.
Hey, we're back, y'all.
We're back, y'all.
I'm just so excited to be back out here on the road. I want to sing. La-da-dee, la-da-da, la-da-dee, la-da-da.
Babe, we're good.
We're so excited. Bliss has been in the shop for almost 3 months now.
3 months.
We only had her since October the 8th. And we're just picking her up today. And we're driving it around for a test drive. And we're about to go back to the shop and tell them everything is A-OK.
K-O-A.
He's a little dyslexic, but that's okay. I love him anyway. Baby is running good.
Running good.
We're excited. So we stopped by Harris Teeter, grabbed a little bite to eat.
Asparagus. Tofu.
Some salad.
We back.
We back. Bliss is back. You don't know how excited we are.
RV Bliss. Where the paper towels at, baby? We don't even know where things are around here.
So we out here in these RV streets again, y'all.
RV streets. On the corners. On the streets. On the road.
On the road.
Again.
So the captain got to get his driving mojo down again.
I do. It's a skill. Can't take it for granted. Safe travels.
In 400 feet, enter the roundabout and take the third exit to Washington.
Yeah, when
In 0.2 miles,
you just have to drive.
To a 370
like a regular vehicle.
270 and then
But you really have to watch out for people that's trying to beat you. That's the whole thing. We're bigger than them. We have power. We have agility. Just be safe and drive. Don't be afraid. But be cautious
Turn
of,
right to a
again,
370 and then keep left.
people trying to beat you. Gotta work. Putting the hammer down again.
What
Putting
you
the
doing?
hammer down again.